ready.
Good evening. I'm Robert DeLusa. This summer I went to the mall to watch a fireworks display. And let me tell you, it was alright. It wasn't bad, it wasn't good, it was alright. There were some big fireworks, there were some small fireworks, there were some red ones. I'm taking your shoulder.
And there were some blue ones. Bacon.
Like a 20-second laugh.
I stop.
It's like this dumb seats up there.
Compose yourself. Bob Delicious. Okay, everybody stop laughing and he will.
Stop.
Go sit in the corner.
All right. All right, here we go. When I got there, I saw my best friend, Chris Horton. He was there with his mom, his dad, and his brother, and his little dog Mater. When I saw Mater, I gave him a little pat on the head. He was like, I don't think the fireworks, I don't think he liked them very much, because whenever they went off, he just... Mater just started running off the teacher. Chris was holding on the top.
Just stop off.
I'm keep on going.
My face hurts.
Well, Chris was holding on to Mater when the fireworks went off. So Mater was dragging Chris into the woods. So everyone had to go get Chris, and man, we found him. He was all like scraped up and bloody, and we asked Chris if he was alright, and he was like, I'm okay.